Hi, everybody. It's Dr. Stembridge, and today I want to talk with you about mindsets, and in particular, mathematical mindsets, because we're going to spend some time developing our mathematical mindsets. So, before I get to mindsets, let me first tell you a story. When I was a kid, my absolute favorite movie of all movies was Star Wars. Star Wars is a movie about the struggle for the fate of a galaxy. But another way to think about Star Wars is to think of it as a struggle between two different mindsets. The dark side is a scary mindset. It's a mindset based on fear. The mindset of the dark side is negative. But the heroes of Star Wars are always up to the challenge. They have a mindset that is based on hope and inspiration. And even when it looks like the dark side is going to win, the heroes of Star Wars continue to believe in themselves, and they always persevere. Many students feel a similar kind of struggle when it comes to mathematics. The struggle in math is not between the rebel forces and the Empire like in Star Wars. The struggle in math is between fixed mindset and growth mindset. Fixed mindset says that when we feel frustrated, we should just give up and stop trying. Fixed mindset is the false belief that I'm either smart or I am not, and there is nothing that I can do about it. Growth mindset is the belief that challenges help us to grow. Growth mindset says that we all get better with practice. Growth mindset says that positive effort and attitude improve abilities. There is a ton of research that proves that the brain grows when it is challenged, and struggle is the best way to build math abilities. We're going to practice how we struggle. In fact, we're calling this productive struggle. What is productive struggle? Productive struggle is the focused effort that one gives in order to grow. Productive struggle is the willingness to take on a math problem that might be a little bit scary to us when we first see it, but we decide to think it through because we know that productive struggle helps us to grow. Productive struggle is kind of like working out at the gym. I mean, do you think The Rock gets big and strong just by sitting around all day? No! He lifts lots of heavy weights, and it's never easy to lift those weights, but he does it because he knows that the struggle is going to help him to grow his muscles. Productive struggle in math is the same thing, except we're working out our brain muscles. The most important thing to remember is that the goal of productive struggle is not to find answers. I repeat, we are not looking for answers. We're looking for strategies. A strategy is a plan of action that we design to achieve a particular goal. Our strategy here is to be able to explain our thinking. We want to work on our process for engaging with the productive struggle. So here's how we're going to do it. You're going to get a math problem. You're going to practice your growth mindset by thinking about the math problem as you engage in the productive struggle. Here are the questions you'll be asking yourself. Number one, what is the problem asking you to do? Number two, what part of the problem makes sense? And what part of the problem is confusing? Number three, what do you need to do first and why? And number four, what do you need to know to begin your productive struggle? These questions will help you to find strategies for understanding the problem and eventually coming up with a possible solution. You should be thinking about things like, am I combining? Am I separating? What am I searching for? Are there patterns in these numbers? What kinds of solutions might make sense? After you've started your productive struggle, you'll share your thinking with one of your classmates. Then, we'll want you to think about how the productive struggle felt and how did you handle your productive struggle. The most important thing to keep in mind throughout this learning experience is that the goal is to hold on to your mathematics growth mindset. We don't want the dark side or the fixed mindset to start interfering with our perseverance and positive attitude. Okay, that's it. Let's start working out. I know you're going to do great. And now, may the force be with you.